We're now going to demonstrate how to sign in with Google into the PTC Wizard. Signing in with Google will not only allow you to have an easy sign-in process, but will also connect your Google Calendar. And I'm going to demonstrate how parents can activate this integration between PTC Wizard and Google. The parents have to click on the Sign In with Google button if they want to integrate their Google account. When they choose Sign In with Google, it'll bring them to a page to let them select the account, the Google account they want to choose. If they have more than one, this page will appear. The parent needs to select the Google account that's relevant, and then they'll be brought to an authorization screen. This is what's going to authorize PTC Wizard to access specific information from the Google account. In addition to some basic information like email and name that we can use to connect the PTC Wizard account and the Google account, we will also be asking for permission to edit events on your calendars. Click Allow, and that will connect the PTC Wizard with your Google Calendar as well. You'll only have to go through that authorization once. After you do it one time, you'll be able to sign in with Google at any time and come straight into your PTC Wizard account. Then when you make appointments, those appointments will appear on your Google Calendar. I've opened up my Google Calendar to December 1st, and you can see that there are no appointments currently there. When I go back to my PTC Wizard account, I can add a meeting. And when I make my selections and create some appointments with teachers, you will then see that these appointments have automatically been added to my Google Calendar. That's all you have to do to connect your Google Calendar with your PTC Wizard and enabling the Sign In with Google option.